Good morning students. I am Engineer Ajay. Welcome all of you in digital classes provided by Rajasthan Academy Churu for preparation of entrance exam of Sainik School, Military School, Navodaya Vidyalaya, Rai Sports School and RIMC. Students, it's class of reasoning and our topic is ranking test. In last classes we have studied about the basic of ranking test and the formulas of ranking test. Now we are continuing the practice exercise of ranking test. We have solved 4 questions of ranking test. Now we start the question number 5 of ranking test. Let's start. Now see, in a class of 45 students, rank of Ayush is 15th from top. Then what is rank of Ayush from bottom? In a class of 45 students, rank of Ayush is 15th from top. Then what is rank of Ayush from bottom? Okay. Now we start. Total number of students in class. Total students 45. Ayush rank from top. Ayush from top. What is rank of Ayush from top? Is 15th. Then Ayush rank from bottom. We have to determine Ayush rank from bottom. Total number of students is given and Ayush rank from top is also given. Now the formula for it is total number of students minus Ayush rank from top plus 1. Then the total number of students is 45 minus Ayush rank from top is 15 plus 1. Okay. Now 46 minus 15 is equal to 31. Okay. Then the Ayush rank from bottom is 31. I hope you got it. Now the question number 6. In question number 6, let's see. 37 boys are standing in a row facing the school building. 37 boys are standing in the row which is facing to the school building. Okay. Now Ashwini is 15th from the left hand. Position of Ashwini is 15th from the left hand. If he is shifted 6 places to the right. If he is shifted 6 places to the right, then what is the position of Ashwini from right hand? Then what is the position of Ashwini from right hand? Okay. Let's start. Total students 37 and the position of Ashwini from left hand Ashwini from left. What is position of Ashwini from left? 15th. Okay. Now, what is saying in the question? Let's focus. If he is shifted 6 places to the right, if he is shifted 6 places to the right, then what is his position from right hand? Okay, then what is his position from the right hand? Now let's see. First of all, it's a row of 37 students. Okay, 37 students. Now it's left hand of row, it's right hand of row. Okay, we have studied, I have told you about the some important notes in the ranking test. Okay, then let's see. Ashwini is 15th from left hand. Ashwini is 15th from left hand. Here is Ashwini 15th from left hand. Okay, now what is saying? He is shifted 6 places to the right. He is shifted 6 places to the right. Before shifting, position of Ashwini is 15th from left hand. Now he is shifted 6 places to the right. Now here is Ashwini. Okay, it is his left and it is his right. Ashwini is 15th from left. Now it is his left and it is his right. Now what is saying? He is shifted 6 places to the right. To the right. Now see, to the right means left plus what? Right. Here is, it is right of Ashwini and he is shifted 6 places to the right. Now the position of Ashwini from the left is, let's see, new position of Ashwini from left plus 6. Okay, left plus right, combination is left plus right. Then the position of Ashwini from left is 15 plus he is shifted 6 places towards the right. Now his position is 21. It is his position and the position is from left, and we have to determine the position of Ashwini from right. Then see, Ashwini from right. Now see, total number of students 37 minus Ashwini's new position of Ashwini from left is 21 plus 1. Let's see, 37, 38 minus 21. Here is 17th. Then the position of Ashwini from right hand is 37th. Okay, I hope you got it. First of all, see, it is saying in the question total number of students is 37. Ashwini from left, Ashwini's position from left is 15th. Now Ashwini is shifted 6 places to the right. his position from left is 15 plus 6 places, shifted 6 places to the right, then 15 plus 6, new position of Ashwini from left is 21. Now we have to determine Ashwini's position from right. Then total number of students minus Ashwini's position from left plus 1, 38 minus 21 is 17th. Then the Ashwini's position from right is 17th. Okay, you got it. Now the question number 7. Question number 7. Let's start. Question number 7 is, in a class of 30 students, Mahesh is 14th from the left and Ramesh is 20th from the right, and how many students are there between Ramesh and Mahesh? Okay, now see, in a class of 30 students, total students 30. Okay, now what is saying? Mahesh is 14th from left. Okay, Mahesh from left, Mahesh from left is 14th. Okay, Ramesh is 20th from right. Ramesh from right is right is 20th. We have to determine students between Ramesh and Mahesh. Okay, now see, in the question total number of students is given, Mahesh's position from left is given, Ramesh's position from right is given, and we have to determine students between Ramesh and Mahesh. Okay, then let's start. Now the question is based on formula students between persons between two persons A and B. Now to solve question we have to determine both persons rank from one end. We can choose right hand or we can choose left hand. The answer will be same. So we choose the left hand. So position of Mahesh from left is given. Now we have to determine position of Ramesh from left. Then see, Ramesh from left. Okay. Total number of students is 30. Ramesh position from right is 20 plus 1 is equal to 11th. So now the position of Ramesh from left is, we have solved on the position of Mahesh from left is given. So we can determine the students between Ramesh and Mahesh. So the students between Ramesh and Mahesh, formula is, we are considering the both persons from left hand, then the formula will be the number of Mahesh is more than Mahesh from left minus Ramesh from left minus 1. Okay, then the formula is Ramesh from left minus Ramesh from left minus 1. Then Mahesh from left is 14, Ramesh from left is 11 minus 1 is equal to 14 minus 12, it is 2. Then two persons are between Ramesh and Mahesh. Okay, so it is easy. We have to determine students between Ramesh and Mahesh. So we take the rank of both persons from one side. It may be left or right. The answer will be same. Okay, then note down it in your notebook and practice it. Okay, thank you.